Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, obviously we're in my closet, so I'm going to do a not ruthless but kind of ruthless closet declutter, okay? I've started doing KonMari and Marie Kondo, whatever, that type of like organizing and getting rid of stuff. I've done that with my drawers or some drawers. I'm doing that with like makeup and stuff, and I'm just like in the pre-spring cleaning attitude and just trying to get stuff out that doesn't need to be here anymore, that's kind of just like collecting dust. Let's just go ahead and get started. As you can obviously tell that I've worked retail because everything is assorted through colors and then by sleeve length. That's how I learned. And then kind of this is like miscellaneous back here, but we're not gonna really touch on this, I don't think. I don't know, maybe not. Real quick, if you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you know when my next video goes up. I'm gonna try to show you all the best that I can. So I put all my camo stuff in the front because that beats any color. It like even beats black, and I wear a lot of black. That is my closet before. Alright, hopefully we can get rid of a lot of shirts in here. I'm gonna kind of just pick through here really quick and like pick out the things that I know that I just don't want in my wardrobe anymore. I'm gonna feel bad for some of them because I know I've probably worn them. I can count on one hand the amount of times that I've worn them. If you're interested in buying some of these shirts, I will try to list them on my Mercari, and it is linked down below. It says shop my vanity, and then you just click that link. Also, if you're in the US, because it's US only, if it's your first time signing up for Mercari, you get $10 off or a $10 credit when you sign up, and I get $2. This video is not sponsored. I'm just trying to help y'all save some money. Unfortunately, I cannot ship outside of the US. I can ship to US and US territories where it's basically like a local mail. This shirt right here, it's an off-the-shoulder top. It's cute, but it's just too boxy for me. I've probably worn this maybe like 4 times since I've bought it, and it's been a while, so that's gonna go away. It's gonna be hard for me to let go of some of these things because they do have a lot of sentimental value, such as this shirt right here. It would be the second time I went to Vegas, but the first time me and Shane went to Vegas and I wore this shirt here, and oh my gosh. You know what? I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to use it as like a swim cover-up this year. So I'm going to keep that. Okay, this one I am getting rid of. It is from Target. It's the Mosimo Supply Company, and it's just black and white shirt with, you know, these little designs here. This shirt I've had forever, and I'll never fit in it because it's a size small. Most of the shirts that I wear are a medium or large. This is from back when it was Susan G. Komen for the Cure breast cancer awareness when I used to work at Old Navy. It's really cute. It's kind of, I mean, it's not in bad condition either, but it's a cute shirt. This pink shirt right here is also from Mosimo Supply Company. It's size large, and it's just a pink V that I don't know. I don't want it in my closet anymore. This shirt is from one of my previous jobs. It was supposed to have the company logo sewed on there, but it didn't, so I ended up keeping this shirt because I liked it at the time, but now not so much. It's really boxy, kind of. I don't know. I just don't like it, so it's getting out of my closet. This shirt's from Rue 21. It's a size medium. I really don't want to let it go because of this right here. Oh, man, you know what? Shane's mom, she turns like shirts into pillows, so I'm wondering I might could give this to her and have her turn it into like a cute pillow because she's really crafty. So I'm going to keep this, and I'm going to be seeing her soon, so I'm going to tell her when she has time and is feeling crafty if she can turn this into a pillow for me. Gosh, I feel like I'm not getting rid of anything. This shirt, again, Mosimo. I shop Target a lot. This is a size medium. There's times where I wear this shirt, but I don't know. I'm just feeling like it's time. It's time to let it go. When I go to Target, I try to see if they have their 2 for $10, or sometimes I have like 2 for $12, like t-shirts and tanks. So I'll go in there and try to scoop up some new t-shirts. So I don't feel bad letting that go. This right here is maternity, but I still wore it anyways because it's not like a super huge deal on the side. It is a size large from Julie's Closet, and I used to wear this a lot during like, well, it's winter right now, but more in like the fall. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. This shirt right here is not maternity, although I did wear it while I was pregnant. It is from Old Navy. It's a size large, and it's like a burnout light sweater that you could probably get away with wearing in the spring. I just don't want it anymore. I hate to let this go, but I feel like it shrunk, so it's probably going to fit a size small, but it's from Day Trip. It's medium. It's off the shoulder top with this like crochet cold shoulder on the side. Did I say off the shoulder? Kind of off the shoulder. It's a cold shoulder top. The sleeves, I think they're supposed to go all the way down to the wrist, but to me, like I said, I think it shrunk. It's really cute, but I think by now it fits a small because every time I try to wear it, it just doesn't look right on me. So that's unfortunately going to have to go. This is from Urban X. It's an extra large, but it probably fits more like a large, like a fitted large, but it's just a long sleeve top. It's really cute, but I'm just ready to let it go. Oh, also, this is the back. The back's really cute. I used to live in this a lot. I believe this is maternity. This is also from Target from Liz Lang. Maternity. Yeah, it is a large. And so I used to live in this even like postpartum. Even like years later, I would still live in this because it's so long and comfy. This is from Ambience, and it's just a little, what is it? I was going to say peplum, but it's not peplum. And anyways, it flares out right here on the bottom. I think it's called peplum. Anyways, it's really cute. It's kind of like cropped, like it hits right here at like a little bit below your belly button. It hits like at them hip bones right here up top. Not your hips down here, but like that bone up here. That's right there. Anyways, it's hard to explain. This fits medium-ish more than it does a large. Anyway, I'm going to get rid of that. Shane's probably going to hate me for this one because I'm trying not to get rid of any of my Affliction shirts. I think it's a medium. It has a nice design of a ship on it with blue roses and blue snakes, and there's a blue bird on the top. On the back, it has an anchor with a ribbon that says victory or death. And like I said, I think this is a medium, but I'm ready to part with it. This right here, I don't even remember where I got it. Probably Ross or something. It's a size large. I think it fits more like a medium. Anyways, it's just a really cute long tunic that I no longer want. This shirt right here, I accidentally left the size stickers on, so there's like, I don't know why there's stains on it. Like, they're from the stickers or something. Like, there's a strip right here. I don't know if you guys can see, like, there's a line. I don't know if my phone's gonna pick it up. I'm recording on my phone because my camera battery is dead, but there's like a line right here. And yeah, I washed this with the size sticker on, so it kind of just like stayed there, and I've washed it another time and it still stayed on there. So I'm just like, you know what? I'm ready to let it go. Anyways, it's a cold shoulder top, and the sleeves kind of like do this number, like a bell sleeve, and the bottom is kind of like it's a boxy type of fit. This one is from The Sinful by Affliction. Another shirt that Shane might be upset with me getting rid of. Probably worn this once or twice. Oops, sorry Shane. It's a size large, but Affliction tends to run a little bit small, so it fits more like a medium large. And then this is a back. I'm not a huge fan of stuff like this, like on the lower back, because I got like lonjita back here. You know, I got the little muffin top, and I don't like anything showing back there. It's a really cute shirt, but it's just not for me anymore. This white long sleeve shirt is maternity, Ambience maternity. It's a size large, so if you know anyone who needs a long sleeve plain white t-shirt for maternity, then there's one right here. From that same brand, this one is a medium. I was trying to find it in large, but I was like, you know what, whatever. Like, I'm pregnant. I can look fat if I want to. Anyways, it comes in black, but this one is medium. And they are stretchy. The rest of the stuff I won't mess with because it's just dresses, and cardigans, and blazers, just jackets, you know, just dresses here and there that I sometimes usually wear. Some dresses I don't want to get rid of because sentimental value, like for instance this dress. I wore this dress to my grandma's, one of my grandma's birthday, and she passed away a few years ago, so I'm just like, I don't want to let that dress go because that was one of her last like really big birthday parties. So I really want to hang on to that dress. And then this one right here, it's really cute. I don't think I fit in it right now, but this is the dress that I wore the first time I went to Billy Bob's up in Fort Worth. I saw Josh Abbott. That's why I'm keeping it. It's because I saw a Josh Abbott band. And also this dress right here. I'm not pulling them out, but I'm just showing you guys the print. This is another dress that I wore to see Josh Abbott because I love Josh Abbott. Like, I'm going to get rid of this dress. This is from Isabella Oliver. It's a size 3, but it's like super stretch, okay? I wore this dress. I should probably keep it, but I don't need to keep it. I wore this dress for my baby shower. But I did wear a black slip underneath because it is white and it's not really lined. So I wore a like full on like, it didn't like suck me in, but I just got like, I had to go to like the plus section, the plus size section, and find like a slip to go underneath. So that way I could wear this dress and not like have, you know, everything spilling out or things showing, lines showing. Shane's mom gave me this, but it just doesn't fit me right. We both have different body frames, body shapes. I didn't see it on her. She said it didn't fit her, but when I put it on me, it's just like, I either don't have enough booty, like it made me look so like, I already don't have a booty, but it made me look extra like no butt, and it just looked really weird in the front and the crotch area, and it just wouldn't sit right. Like if it was too high, it was like giving me like a camel toe or whatever, but if it sat too low, it just, I don't know, it just didn't look right all the way around. I mean, it is cute, but it just didn't look right. This is a romper, by the way, if I didn't say that. So I'm getting rid of that. Let's just sift through this one more time. You know what? I'm not a huge fan of this shirt. I got it from the Buckle, and it's the BKE red in a size medium. It's also stained a little bit because I washed it with one of my blue shirts, and it got blue everywhere, all over like a whole bunch of shirts. So I had to look up a hack on the interwebs. And so I soaked it in warm water and vinegar or something like that. So most of the stains came out, but they're still there a little bit. So I'm just gonna have to trash this shirt. Yeah. So that one's trash. So I'm gonna put that in a different pile. I think I'm ready to part with this shirt too. This from License to Boot. It's a size large. It's kind of close to a crop top. Probably just hits like right at where you button your pants, like the mid-rise of a pant. It says Old Soul in gold, so I'm getting rid of that. I think I'm ready to part with this shirt. I bought it while I was pregnant. It's from Old Navy, and it's the boyfriend fit. It is just a large pocket t-shirt, very boyfriend-like, very loose and flowy. I'm not getting rid of this one. It's a large, but it's a fitted large, and I don't wear this shirt right now because you could see all my lonjas, okay? Like, when I wear pants and I wear that shirt because it's, like, fitted to the body, you could see my muffin top real bad. You know what? I'm gonna let go of this shirt. It's from Day Trip. It does have a little bit of, like, stretchiness right here, but it doesn't grip too tight on your forearm. And it has little, like, accent beads right here. It's really cute. I just didn't wear it this year, so bye-bye shirt. I hate getting rid of shirts that I got from the Buckle because Day Trip's not super expensive. Like, their most expensive, like, basic shirt that I usually buy runs about, like, $25, $26. And then, like, the cheapest shirt, I would say, is probably, like, $16. So, I don't mind, but I do mind. I feel like I didn't make much progress. Oh, my gosh. Retail. I'm not used to it. Used to carry shirts like this versus like this. When you work retail, you slip your hand through there, or you slip your arm through there. I've seen the merchandisers slip their arm carrying tons of clothes, like both arms like this with clothes. Anyways, 24 shirts gone. Does my closet look any better? Here, let me step out of the way. Does it look better after? I feel like there's a lot more room. I mean, we did get rid of 24 shirts. Maybe at the end of the year, I will do this again. If you're interested in any of these pieces, they're not going to be like super expensive. I really plan on probably pricing them more than like $6, but less than probably about $14. $15. I'm not going to do them all at once because, oh my gosh, it would take forever. But I'm going to try to list them on my Mercari, but if you're interested in them now, just drop a comment down below. You can either do Mercari or I like to do PayPal just because that's more like secure. They just handle business easier in my opinion. Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.